Dollar strengthens as yen hits lowest levels in decades. The yen weakened against the US dollar, reaching its lowest point since the mid-1990s, sparking concerns about potential intervention from Japanese authorities to stabilize the currency. In response, the dollar strengthened, rebounding from previous declines prompted by Tuesday's data indicating a slowdown in U.S. business activity. Trading in the foreign exchange market exhibited nervousness as the dollar briefly surged to 155.17 yen before retracting, highlighting market sensitivity around the 155 level. Japanese policymakers, including Finance Minister Shinichi Suzuki, emphasized their vigilance regarding currency movements and readiness to intervene if necessary. However, there's a debate among officials about the threshold for intervention, with some suggesting that a yen decline towards 160 could trigger action. Despite official statements, market participants remain skeptical about the effectiveness of potential intervention, given past experiences. Analysts note that the Bank of Japan's intervention targets have shifted over time, indicating uncertainty about policy responses amidst evolving market dynamics. The Bank of Japan is expected to maintain its policy settings at its upcoming meeting, following its recent interest rate hike, with Governor Kazuo Ueda hinting at further rate increases if yen depreciation fuels inflationary pressures. The yen's decline follows strong U.S. inflation data, bolstering expectations of a cautious approach by the Federal Reserve regarding interest rate cuts this year. Meanwhile, the dollar index, reflecting the dollar's performance against major peers, edged slightly higher, while the euro and sterling remained relatively stable. Market focus shifted to upcoming releases of the Fed's targeted consumer inflation measure, the PCE deflator, with expectations of a potential U.S. rate cut by September. The Australian dollar saw a modest increase after stronger-than-expected consumer price data diminished expectations of near-term rate cuts by the Reserve Bank of Australia. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.